Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 5Z, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So, to get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector. They usually look kind of like this instead, but if you can't find either one, I could just use paperclip, shine one on the ends, and it should work just as well. I do have a tool specifically for this, so that's what I'm going to be using. Now, second thing would be, if you use any kind of case on your phone, do take it off. And once you take it off, you can access the tray at the top left side of the phone, basically right over here. So find the insert pin, there we go, and push it in. As you will see, the tray pops out, just enough for you to grab it with your fingers and pull it out. Now on the tray, if you don't drop it, you can see that you have space for two SIM cards and one SD card. Now you can occupy either one of these SIM trays or both of them if you want to. It doesn't really matter which one you use if you're planning to use just one. Now I will be using one of each, so there we go. That's how I'm gonna place my cards, and from there you want to insert it back into your device. Now do it carefully, there's nothing holding these cards in place, so just as an example, if they kind of like bump up somewhere in there, they could just, come out of the tray. And you might want to think about that when actually like sliding the tray back in. If the card starts to look like it's out of place, don't force it in. It might have just come out just ever so slightly and it's going to start wedging itself, so just take out the tray just a little bit, fix it up, and then push it back in. There we go. Now once you insert your cards, they should start working immediately, and you can see that my SIM card is already working, so I'm going to confirm my SIM pin. Oops, not what I wanted to open. There we go. So SIM card is working, and let's see if there is anything about SD card. Nothing in notifications. Oh, okay, and you can see the SD card is working as well. So there we go. This is how you would insert your SIM and SD card into this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.